7th standard children. Now we are going to continue the answers, evaluation answers for the lesson State Government, that is Civics Unit 1. Term 2, this is very important. Term 2, this is Unit 1, Civics State Government. We have finished in the previous classes. Choose a correct answer, fill in the blanks and match the following. Roman letter 3 we finished. And now we are going to see the answers for Roman letter 4. Consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. Understand? First one. Which of the following statement is or not correct? To become a governor, one should be the citizen of India, should have completed 25 years of age, should have sound mind, should not hold any office or profit. So among the 4 options, the wrong, which one is wrong they are asking. So B is wrong. Should have completed 25 years போட்டிருக்கு. Governor ஆகணும்னா என்ன? He should complete 35 years. So B is wrong answer. That is 4. Answer is B. Second, consider the following statements true or false. MLAs are together responsible for the working of the government. Yes, it is true. Third one. All the MLAs of the other political party who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition. Yes, it is true. Fourth one. Second la A, B, C kuduthirukanga children. Second la A, true. B, true. And C, MLA, that is the false. The answer is false. And third question. Find out the correct meaning of bicameral legislature. It means that there are cameras in the legislature. Camera irukradhunala bicameral. It means the legislature has men and women member. Men women irukradhunala, yeah. It means that there are 2 houses like upper house and the lower house. It means that the governor is the leader of over the member of the legislature. Which one is correct? Bicameral means 2 houses, upper house and lower house. So the correct option is C. Third one, the correct option is C. And fourth one, assertion. India has a federal system of government. Reason, according to our constitution, the power is divided between central and the state governments. The correct option is A. A is correct and R explains A. Next one, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. That is Roman letter 5. First question. What are the qualifications to become the governor of the state? The answer is in page number 166. Take page number 166, children. Here, page number 166. Can you see? At the top, you have should be the citizen. Before that, you have to write governor. Anga shouldku munnadi neenga governor eludikkanum. So, governor should be the citizen of India and should have completed 35 years of age and should have sound mind. Second point, and should not hold any public office of profit. So this is the first answer. Inga should ku munadi you have to write governor. Miss eldirukka parunga pencil la. Governor. Understand? This is the first short answer. Then second one. Second one, the question is, who are called oppositions? It is in page number 165. Take page number 165. The answer is here. Inga vote in the picture irukku therida. Can you see the picture? Below that. And irka adukku next la irukku parunga. The party. T vandu capital letter. You have to write capital letter. The party which gets the total number of seats next to the majority party is an opposition party. அங்கே acts as இருக்கா, அதை ஸ்ட்ரைக் அவுட் பண்ணிடுங்க. acts as அது வேண்டாம், அதை ஸ்ட்ரைக் அவுட் பண்ணிவிட்டு instead of that you write is is is. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும், T is the capital letter. இந்த voting அந்த மிஷினுக்கு கீழே இருக்கு பாருங்க, down to that line. The party which gets the total number of seats next to the majority party is an opposition party. Okay. Then third short answer. I'll read out the question. Write a note on Lok Adalat. It is in page number 167. Take page number 167, Lok Adalat. Below the picture, இங்கே 2 lines இருக்கு பாருங்க. Lok Adalat People's Court also have been established by the Government of India to settle dispute through conciliation and compromise. These 2 lines only. The third short answer. Can you able to see? This is the 2 lines. Okay. Next, fourth one. I'll read out the question. What is constituency? What is constituency? I'll write the answer in the board. Okay, because the correct answer is not in your book. The direct answer you don't have in your book. So I'll write it in on the board then. You copy it down. Okay. What is a constituency? The constituency is the division in the state is the division in the state on the basis of the population on the basis of the population. Next point. This is first point and second point. The entire state divided into several constituencies. Several constituencies. That's all. So this is the fourth short answer. And fifth short answer. I'll read out the question. Who appoints the chief minister and the other ministers. Fifth one. Answer is the governor. The governor, அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஸ்டின்லேயே இருக்கு, appoints the. மற்றதெல்லாம் கொஸ்டின்லேருந்து நீங்கள் ஃபுல் ஆன்சர் கொஸ்டின் வரைக்கும் எழுதணும். The governor appoints the chief minister and other ministers. Can you able to follow? Okay. Shall we go to the detailed answer? Detailed answer பார்க்கலாமா? Yes. Shall I rub this? Have you copied down, all of you? Roman letter 4 and Roman letter 5. Okay, we'll see Roman letter 6 now. Now, Roman letter 6, that is the detailed answer. Answer the following in detail. Answer the following in detail. First one. The question you copy down from your book. Okay. Describe the powers of the governor. For that, the answer is in page numbers 166. Page number 166. You just take page number 166, all of you. Here. Page number 106. In the middle, you have one paragraph. The teacher. Irka, teacher kuduthirukangala paragraph. Sure, the governor is an integral. Adalla vendam. In the last la irukku parunga. Governor is the head of the state executive and he has enormous powers. First point. Second point, all the administration is carried on in his name. Third point, all bills become law only after his assent. Fourth point, he appoints important officials of the state government such as Advocate General, Chairman and the member of the State Public Service Commission, State Election Commissioner, Vice Chancellors of the universities, etc. Till this paragraph. First detail answer, this paragraph. Page number 166. Second answer. You copied the question, you copy down from your book. See, who is an MLA? For this, you don't have the direct answer. Understand? I'll write it on the board. Who is an MLA? Miss notes eldi podra. First point. The member of the MLA is a member of the Legislative Assembly. Second point. They are elected by the people elected by the people through general election. Third point, the candidate who gets the more number of votes becomes MLA. Then fourth point, MLAs are the representatives of the people. That's all. This is the second detailed answer. And the third one. Third detailed answer. Now third detailed answer. The Chief Minister. First point, the CM போடுற miss. Understand? CM means Chief Minister is the real executive head of the state. Then second point, he allocates the portfolios among the ministers. And the third point, the CM formulate programs and policies for the welfare of the people of the state. Okay, then next one, the Council of Ministers. You can see that in page number 166, Council of Ministers. In the heading ku neenga page number 166 la irukku parunga. You just take page number 166, the Council of Ministers, the second paragraph. The governor mark panningala first detail. Alla second next paragraph la second line, the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the state legislature. All the ministers work as a team under the Chief Minister. Till that, the 2 points only. Okay, okay children, the lesson is over. Learn well. First of all, you have to copy it down in your classwork notebook. Then only it will be easy for you to learn. Okay children, we'll continue the next lesson in the next class. Okay, bye.